technology, electricity powers everything. But have you ever wondered what's truly powering the future? From wireless energy to smart grids and AI-controlled systems, these are not science fiction. They're real. And they're here. In this video, we'll explore the top electrical innovations transforming our lives, cities, and the planet. 1. Smart grids, power that thinks. Smart grids are more than just power lines. They're intelligent systems that monitor, adjust, and reroute electricity in real-time innovation types, technological, AI-based sensors, product, smart meters, EV chargers. 2. Wireless power transfer, no cables, no limits. Forget wires. Wireless power uses electromagnetic fields to charge your phone, your EV, and maybe one day, your entire home. Innovation types, technological, resonant magnetic fields, product, smart furniture, medical implants, process, charging drones, mid-air. 3. Electric vehicles, EVs. The road goes. Electric EVs are not just about replacing gas. They're smart machines powered by software, batteries, and AI systems that evolve every day. Innovation types, product, next-gen vehicles, sustainable, emission-free driving service, charging apps, OTA updates, service, dynamic pricing, energy tracking apps. Tell us why. Like, subscribe, and power up your mind with FireTech Vision. See you in the next spark-filled episode.